Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the Chroma Key feature on CapCut. So if you guys are new to CapCut and wondering where is the Chroma Key feature, so you can find the Chroma Key under the cutout menu here, and here you can find Chroma Key. So the Chroma Key can be used to isolate a certain color in a video or picture, and here I'm going to show you how. So let's say I want to add a green screen overlay to my videos. There's subscribe buttons right here, and to isolate or remove the green screen you need to use the Chroma Key. So go to cutout and click on Chroma Key, then select or drag the color picker into the color that you want to isolate and adjust the intensity and also the shadow like this. Okay, after that just click on the check icon, and this will be the result when you use the Chroma Key. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope you really enjoyed this video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.